como está? Bienvenue. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. Today I'm going to be showing you how to draw a tortoise. This tortoise is my tortoise Lola. Let's get started. Guys, let's start by drawing the shell. I'm going to first draw an oval-like shape like this. Then I'm going to draw a curvy line underneath it like this. Now let's start with the head. First I'm going to draw an oval shape like line, as I'm going to finish it off like this. There's our tortoise's head. Now let's draw the legs. Let's make little ovals. Now let's draw the head. Okay guys, now let's draw that one. Let's draw a circle shape like this and two smaller circles inside of it, like so. Now let's draw a little circle for the nose and a big welcoming smile. Cute, right? Guys, now let's draw the tail. So basically just draw a little triangle at the end, like so. Now let's start drawing the scoots. Let's make little circle-like shapes that kind of like squares, and we can make them in random sizes like so. Guys, this feels so relaxing and fun. You can make them any shapes you like, guys. Okay guys, now let's draw a curvy line at the end of our shell like this. That's the rim of our shell. Now let's draw the underneath like so. Now let's make little lines. Now let's color in the rest of the eye. Please like and subscribe. Over. Bye and shine bright.